Hello, Black Hawk Cougars. This is Code Monkey, the Beaver Achiever Hour of Code Challenge, and I'm just going to get you started with what to do. You're going to be dragging and dropping your coding blocks from the left side here into your play area, and when you have enough, you're going to push the play button. As you can see, he dropped the log to finish his jam. Okay, after you finish a puzzle, you click right here on this green arrow to go to the next puzzle. As you can see with this puzzle, I need 2 logs to finish. But let's say I didn't notice that. This is what happens if you make a mistake. You can get a hint right here. You can also click this orange button to try again. You can throw away your blocks by dragging them and down here. I think that is all you need to know to do Code Monkey Beaver Achiever. So to get started, scroll down below and click on the button that looks. All right, have fun.